friends, welcome to the channel How to Discover. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on your YouTube channel. For this, you have to open your YouTube app. Now you have to select the videos you have to add it to your playlist. For example, I want this video to be added in my playlist. Click on it and click on the second option, Save to Playlist. There you can see the option of new playlist at the very first. Click on it and give any name to your playlist and click on the create. Now you can see that your playlist is created. Now you have to go to your library. At the bottom you can see your playlist. In this way you can make a playlist on YouTube. I hope you can understand the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.